Ever notice how you can remember the ending of a movie perfectly, but the first 10 minutes are a total blur? Or how a fantastic vacation can feel ruined by a terrible flight home? This isn't just you, it's a universal pattern. We tend to forget the beginnings and middles of our experiences, but the endings and the most intense emotional moments stick with us. It turns out our memory isn't a perfect video recorder. It's selective, and it plays favorites. So, what's going on here? This phenomenon is called the Peak-End Rule, a concept introduced by Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman. The rule is surprisingly simple. Our brains don't average out an entire experience to decide how we feel about it. Instead, they take a mental shortcut. They judge the whole thing based on just 2 moments, the most emotionally intense point, whether it was amazing or awful, and the very end. Everything else, all those average, uneventful moments, gets largely ignored. The duration of the experience doesn't even matter that much. It's all about the peak and the end. You see this everywhere in daily life. A 2-hour movie might be just okay, but if the final scene is incredible, you'll walk out telling everyone it was a masterpiece. On the flip side, a wonderful, long-term friendship can be soured in your memory by a single bad final argument. Think about a trip to the doctor. The long wait and routine checkup fade away, but you will vividly remember a moment of sharp pain and how you felt when you left the office. It's the same with customer service. A long, complicated process is forgiven if the final outcome is great. The ending defines the entire memory. Why does our brain work this way? It's all about efficiency. Our minds are constantly trying to save energy, so they prioritize meaning over detail. Endings are powerful because they signal closure and offer a final lesson to take away. What about those emotional peaks? Intense feelings act like a highlighter for our memory, telling our brain, this is important. Remember this. So, our brain isn't built for perfect accuracy. It's built for survival and quick, efficient judgment. Understanding this bias is a game changer. For leaders, creators, or anyone trying to make a positive impact, it means focusing on creating a strong, positive finish. That final impression is what builds trust and loyalty. And for all of us, being aware of the Peak-End Rule helps us judge our own experiences more fairly. Maybe that whole week wasn't so bad after all. Maybe it was just a tough ending. So next time you reflect on a memory, ask yourself, are you remembering the whole story, or just the peak and the end? Thanks for watching. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into how our minds work.